Wow! As soon as she gets back in my lap, she's just like, oh, look at him.
Get her. Get him, Rusty.
She's the feisty one.
Beyond feisty, holy crap!
She did that at first with Tuki. That's why I was saying she's kind of a B word, but she got used to him. I think. Rusty, I'm not.
What's she doing?
It's my lap.
Hi, Tuki.
And he's been really good.
Rusty's being exceptionally good. I'm afraid if I put her down, she'd fucking eat him. Okay, this is just amazing.
He is.
Oh wow, I'm getting you on film.
Look at Rusty's just like, I'm gonna sniff her ass. Oh!
Oh, I lost balance.
Where are you going, little girl?
There we go. Let's see what she does.
Rusty's starting to look kind of mannish now.
Oh,
She is.
hi.
She just wants to get, I'm afraid she's gonna get down and run off, you know?
Take her, take her.
Come here, Bella.
Yeah,
Hi,
he's
baby.
developing to be
that's-
mannish looking now.
Yeah.
Hi.
He's growing up. He's finally, he's
He
I'm
got
actually gonna have to.
more girth now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm having to loosen his halter because he's starting to get the shoulders now.
Very chesty now.
Yeah.
What is that?
Hi. We're laughing at Bella.
Get him.
She's downright mad.
Not my fingers.
Rusty, look at him. He's so funny.
She's like trying to eat him. That's nice.
Well, now you know that he's actually very good with little dogs.
Yeah. Well, he's good with her anyway.
Tuki.
He's got the ball.
Tuki, Tuki. Tuki, Tuki.
And she's just, they're both trying to eat each other at this point.
I think Rusty is trying to, well, no, she's on his dad's lap now.
Yeah. That's the whole
And
thing.
he wants to get in the center of it.
Hi, Bella. Where you going?
Okay, now you're in my mom's lap.
Where are you going? little girl? She wants to get away from him.
Yeah, that's what she's
Oh, he's
trying
grooming her. And she's gonna eat him.
I think that's what Tuki is doing to her, is trying to groom her, but he can't figure it out.
Yeah.
There we go. Come here, Bella.
And baby.
Smile for the camera, Joe.
There we go.
I was gonna say put his leash on. Let's take Bella and him out front and see what happens.
Good, you get to
kinda
take the camera out there.
Got the puff butt look, you know.
Yeah.
Say hi, Mama.
Here, baby. Give me her.
I want her ears to stand